Hey, it's Megan here, and today I'll be reviewing my Treocho table with drawers and storage. So I'm going to tell you everything I love about this table and what surprised me the most from it. So let's get into it. I have a desk area that's in the den portion of my house, so it's kind of a small space, and I was having trouble finding a little table that had just a little bit of extra storage for my office space. So instead I looked for an entryway table, and it is the perfect table, exactly what I was looking for. So I was looking for something that was stylish. You can see it's painted white and it's a smooth paint color. I really like it. You can't see any stain or anything like that. Just nice and smooth all the way around. And I love the cross added addition onto the side. I think it just up levels the style factor rather than it just being a completely plain table. And then I needed something, like I said, with a little extra storage. So I love the shelf on the bottom. This drawer is the perfect size to place extra papers, pens, different things for my office. The whole table took me about an hour to assemble. It's definitely comparable to other furniture that I've put together. It had really easy to follow instructions. I will say some of the photos were a little blurry, showing like which screw goes into which hole, but I got it built and in about an hour's time. So I call that a win. You do need a Phillips head screwdriver to assemble it, but everything else that you need comes inside of the package. It fit perfectly in my little corner here, and all of the dimensions listed are definitely on point. All of the pieces and parts came with my package, and everything fit together just perfectly. I saw a couple of reviews that said they had some wood pieces that didn't fit quite right. All of mine were exactly how they were meant to be and fit perfectly. I also saw a few reviews that mentioned theirs came with some scratches and scuff marks on it. I definitely, as you can see, had none of that. Mine is like perfectly smooth and flawless all around, not even a ding on the side. And I will say my box was a little bit beat up when I got it on the porch. My delivery driver looked like he had a bumpy ride, and the table inside was still perfectly intact, and it was well protected with styrofoam, additional cardboard, different things like that. So I think that contributed to keeping it in great condition when I did receive it. What surprised me the most about this table is how sturdy it is. I probably won't put like a lot of weight up here, but I'm definitely feeling confident about putting some books on this bottom shelf. This is a nice sturdy bottom shelf here. It's not like just a paper or a piece of flimsy cardboard. So overall, I'm super happy with this table. It is exactly what I was looking for, and I think it'll be a great addition for a hallway, an entryway, or maybe you need it for an office space like me. So enjoy your new table.